So, Stephen, Dell and Hugging Face, bonus points for the name of that company, by the way, have teamed up to deploy customized Gen AI models on Dell servers and storage products. The Hugging Face Dell portal will offer users dedicated containers and scripts for easy deployment. Does this reflect a significant step in advancing artificial intelligence capabilities in the enterprise, or is it just another partnership?
Yeah, well, it is another partnership, sure. And honestly, it reflects sort of what you would hope that companies like Dell would do. But I think that it really shows an underlying unease with what's going on in the AI space, as we're going to talk about in our closer look story when we turn to supercomputing this year. So essentially, the goal of this announcement is, of course, for Dell to sell more equipment. Dell makes really great storage appliances. They have validated designs for AI based on their PowerEdge and NVIDIA's H100 GPUs. Dell is absolutely leaning in heavily to the AI market. Now, the challenge there is that enterprises are still, I think, trying to figure out how to do AI. Well, Dell's there to help. By partnering with Hugging Face, they are essentially making it really easy for companies to develop AI models around Hugging Face's language models and then to deploy them not in the cloud, but on premises. This is huge because there's another story that's happening this week, and that is that OpenAI, once again, is so popular. ChatGPT has become so popular that OpenAI is restricting signups. And in fact, they're restricting the ability of people to log in this very morning. I'm hearing reports from folks on Mastodon and X Twitter saying, I can't log in. I can't log in. ChatGPT won't let me in. Why? Because it's just too darn popular. Well, if you're in an enterprise and you're trying to use ChatGPT technology, well, the good news is it looks like the API is still working fine. But if you're trying to use this stuff, being told you as a paying customer can't log in is not what you want to hear. So, what are you going to do? Well, just like other cloud applications, I think enterprises are starting to realize that the cost and the sort of responsibility chain of relying on a cloud service is maybe not what they want to do. What they'd love to do is deploy these models in house and basically escape from all that as a service nonsense. Well, that's what this is all about. I think that this is very, very smart for Dell to do this. It's not enough to develop good hardware. You also have to develop and sell that hardware in a way that customers want to use it. And that is what Dell is doing. So, is this an important announcement? Well, on the face of it, probably not. But does this show that Dell is doing the right thing in AI and in bringing AI to the enterprise? 100%.